What's up guys, and thank you for coming to this video. And this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form inside your WordPress site. Okay, so there's thousand different ways to do this. Okay, and it depending of the technology that you are going to use. All right, I'm saying this because sometimes you are going to use WordPress with the builder that is coming by default that is called Gutenberg. Okay, but also we also have another options, another builders like WP Bakery. We also have, for example, DB and Elementor. That is the most famous builder around the world. All right, and these builders have its options to add a contact form. Okay, so you have options to do it by installing a plugin that is in here. You just need to go to wordpress.org, okay, and search for plugins, okay? And then if you search plugins here and just type contact, okay, you probably are going to see thousands of thousands plugins in order to install and set up a contact form. Okay, most famous is the contact form 7. Okay, but this video I'm going to show you how you can do it without plugins. So let's come back to our website. Let's come back to the pages and let's see the test page that I created. So let me remind you that Gutenberg, that is the editor that we are using for this example, does not have any blocks for contact. All right, there's no contact block. So you need to do it with another builder or installing the plugin as I showed you before. So let's go into use the DB builder that I have installed in this website. Okay, let's go into use it and click on edit with the DB builder. So once we open the DB builder, we have options to start building, browse layouts, or generate layout that is coming with the AI technology. For this example, let's just start the building. Okay, and this is the content that we created with the Gutenberg editor. Okay, and here we got options in this one to create a new row, right? And then we just can type here contact, and then we got here contact form. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like. Okay, by default it comes with the name, field, email, and message. You can modify this by just typing here, for example, first name. All right, and here first name. Okay, you can see if you change it. All right, also we got options to design. Okay, for example, let's make it fields, and I want the color by red. I mean, this is the field text color that is red, and here we got the background that is going to be blue, or this one. It's really ugly, I know. Okay, so for example, this one and the field text color, let's leave it in blank. Okay, so you can do this with all single fields. All right. Also, you got more options like, for example, the size and spacing borders. Like, for example, let's type here 20 pixels, and you see there is right now is around the corners. Okay. We got also box shadows like this, like this. Okay. We have multiple options. Okay. As I said, this is the DB builder, but for example, in Elementor, we got another options. And the plugins also have another options. You will need to study how you want to do this and depending on the technology that you are using. Okay, we also have field options here to minimal length, maximum length, right? If the symbols are allowed or not, okay, numbers or just letters, this kind of things. Okay, then we got option here to, I don't know, rock on. Right, success message is like thank you for your message. We coming back to you as soon as possible. All right, and then we got option here to type the email address that you wish to receive this email, okay, for example, and then type like you receive, you have a new text, you have a new message from your side, all right, and then just click on OK. And let's go into exit from Visual Builder, okay, save and exit, and let's go into see how is the results. Okay, so we got the content created here with Gutenberg, and also we got the contact form that is, for example, my name, my email, address, gmail.com, and message, hello, this is a test, okay? Here we got a little security that we also have options to add the Google CAPTCHA, all right? And then, for example, rock on. So the result here is 18, rock on. And then we got thank you for your message. We coming back to you as soon as possible. All right, so the administrator from this website are going to receive this message and just need to reply your customer. So this is the simple way how you can do it by DV Builder. But as I said, and as I mentioned it before, you had multiple options to do it with plugins. For example, like this, if you click on it, you need to download, all right, from the website, upload to your installation WordPress, all right, and perhaps you're gonna have full documentation here about how to set up this, what is the frequently asking question, and support forums. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have something interesting to share, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.